okey.
Any cardholders of the Mabuhay Minus CV or that your convenience.
dito. Ganun din po.
Pagdating sa Barca, pumunta kayo kay iPass Counter.
Ay, pass counter. Sige. Thank you! Thank you.
Going to the years ago, if we go master of voice navigation, bound for the pay for the Royal and Joro. This is your final breaking house. Once again, for the remaining passengers, if we go master of voice navigation, bound for the pay for the Royal and
Bulletin po.
Dalhin niyo na yung cellphone.
Ito po. Saan? Ay, pass. Ay,
Regular lang. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ay, tama.
Pare.
Okay.
Okay na po.
Yes. Ma'am, ibibigay natin lahat ng mga papel na ito doon po sa boatman para makuha yung seat number.
Okay po. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Hina.
Sige, ma'am.
Isa lang. Okay na po.
Oo, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ang lang rin.
Mama, sige. Wow.
Tara.
Sige po, una na po.
Pabot kayo, ma'am. Count na na.
Ay, salamat po.
Saturday pa lang, makikipag-coordinate ka na sa susunod sa atin.
Sundin na yung number ko yan. Sundin lang po mo.
Salamat po. Thank you, kuya.
Dapat anong darutin mo gusto? Ha?
Okay.
Sir, that's fine.
Sir, saan po yung ano nung pag sa iPass?
Ano po sabi doon?
Ay, tatawid na lang yan. Okay, thank you. Ah! Linet!
May pasira, pasira.
Where's the iPass? iPass. Fine. Well, Sunday is much better. Kasi naman sa naulan. Oh God.
iPass kayo, ma'am? iPass?
Doon po papasok? Thank you.
Pero yung ako na yan.
Naku. Thank you po. Ah, ito. Salamat, Gig. Salamat. Ay. Hop on, hop on. Wow. Hop on, hop on. Ako, 600. Akit na lang po. Bigat. Ayan.
Dito po yung isa po. Oh.
Sorry po.
Canvasin po. Kayo naman isa. Mga
nag-avail ng car.
Ay. Look at my, tignan mo. Tignan. I'm walking na pakusok.
This is a small room. So, upon entry, double-sized bed. And then, maliit na yung room. Pero, you don't feel yung pagiging maliit niya kasi maganda yung interior, light lang yung colors, and even yung mga furnitures nila na place naman nila properly. So, hindi mo ramdam na small room siya. Actually, this is good for 2. Then, it costs around 1.5. Currently, this is June 11. It costs 1.5 for 2 packs. Pero since solo packs ako, nakuha ka siya ng 1.3 per night. So, it also varies depending on the season and even, especially kung holiday. So, ayan siya. Ang ganda ng interior. So, may bedside lamp. And then, may basic utensils for dining. So, kung may take-out kayo, then you wanna eat inside, meron din sila. Then, this one, cute bag. Pwede itong i-borrow. Huwag niyo iuwi Pwede itong i-borrow na you could use while staying here in Boracay. Then, they also have this storage bins. Then, hangers. Then, malakas yung aircon nila. Ayan. Malakas yung aircon nila. Then, they do have 2 fans. Isang wall fan. And itong mini cute fan. So, kung kayo is mainitin, enough na to lahat. Actually, aircon pa lang nila malamig na. Then, for the comfort room, ayan. Maliit lang siya, pero ang linis. Kasi actually, nadadala ng pagka light color ng interior finishes. Kaya hindi mo ramdam yung pagkalit ng kwarto ng room. So, ayan. Meron siyang libreng shampoo and body wash. Then, may mini mirror. Ang cute ang cute ng color ng fixtures nila. Color green, light green. Yan. Ang worry ko lang, may bintana dito. Which is, kitang-kita ka sa neighbor. So, I don't know. Sana may curtain dito to. Kasi, on this side, may curtain. Pero dito wala. Which is much more important. Kasi you're basically naked here. So, yun. So, may hygiene spray, may heater for the shower. And yeah, that's basically it. See, ang ganda ng view, diba? Pagising mo, may sarili ka rin palang balcony. Balcony / veranda. Ayan. Wait. Open ko ulit yung door. Rather. Ayan, ito yung pagbukas mo. Diba? May sarili kang garden. Sarili kang balcony, veranda. Na you could just take a coffee or magtambay. And then may sarili silang cafe doon, which is open from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Agahon Cafe. Ayun. Ang init sa labas. So, that's basically it. So, try to book here kasi aesthetic yung room. Very budget-friendly pricing. Okay sila kausap. May welcome drink din. Pakita ko pa yung welcome drink. Nice. It's a mocktail. Masarap. Swear. And then, and ang cute ng mga displays nila. I don't know if it's from here or galing somewhere. Pero, the owner has a good taste. Ang ganda ng creation ng interior. And to think na ang mura lang niya per night. So, yun. Kung hindi nyo rin naman hawal yung beachfront, whether beachfront facing the Bulab Beach or the main beach, this is a good stay. Kasi nakakasawa din yung typical hotel room style. Very studio unit room, very hotel room vibe. So, eto, as in, marirelax ka talaga. See? I'm sitting here, kaya di ako lumabas. Kita ko na yung garden. And it's a good spot to relax and unwind. If you start go while staying here in Boracay. So, yeah. Nagkakasakit kapag kumain. Dito. Ito bawal kumain. Harap. Next time ulit pag nakita tayo. Mabahal pa. Ano to? Tonight is tonight is, what time is it? 7:49. 7:49. Sige, check natin kung ano yung lagay. How's the surrounding, the environment. Uuwi tayo ng Americanas. Ayun pala ang daming signage. Kung mo. Ano namin. Mga ano. Kami kasi. Nandiyan din ha. Sabay ka nila. Ang scary niya. Buti kami. Kasabay ako. Malilim na. So, okay na po. Kaya nakasabay ako earlier. Siguro kung mas additional lights dito sa entrance. Para na sa security. Kasi kung loob, okay naman. Bukas pa yung coffee nila until 8 PM daw yan. Letter N. Abang pupo. Now. Dami kong bitbit. Lamig. Ang sino ng hangin. Okay.
Bahala tayo.